Good morning, guys. So welcome to a brand new week. Welcome to a new video. Yeah. Yes, guys. When you see me wearing hot pink, you just know it's gonna be hot. Surely, what was that? Anyway, morning, guys. Welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to a new video. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for clicking our video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. For the new subbies, karibuni nyumbani. Yes, on to today's video, we're going to shoot what I wore. Yes, so guys, this week we are going to style my colored coats with the different pairings. We're pairing them differently. So yeah, that's going to be our video for this week. And also guys, if there's anything you'd want me to style that I have not done so far, you know, there are a couple that I have done, please on the comment section let me know. Also, you can message me directly, I will read. You can also WhatsApp me if you have my number. Yes, and I'll read and try to say them. What's the other housekeeping that we need to do before I start this video? I don't see. Is there any? Oh, and then guys, I want to thank you so much for the views for the last video. They've been a bit not so good, but I know we'll do something. I know we'll do something. Otherwise, hope you guys are going to have a lovely week ahead. Hope you guys are going to have a great time watching this content, watching this video. Yes, and that's it. We are all about positive vibes here. So let's go straight into what I am wearing. So guys, straight onto what I'm wearing. My hair is in this headband. It's in a wig. I've just added this band onto it and I'm loving it. This wig is working. It's working and it's good. My neck piece, I have this necklace. My earrings are these white pearl earrings. My coat is this pink one. I've paired it with a white top inside and I've worn these, I don't know, they're called tribal pants, yeah. And I've worn them with a favorite house brand, the Black Hills. So for the top, this top, where did I thrift it from? I thrifted it from Mombasa. Yes, this pink coat, I thrifted it from Migori, Awendo sub-county, specifically Celine's shop. You remember? There's a time I'll also style it. And then for the tribal pants, the tribal pants, I got them at Think Twice. Yeah. So that's my outfit for the day. And I am honestly feeling very, very beautiful. It's a good way to start the week. Otherwise, guys, see you tomorrow with what I will be wearing. Bye-bye. Good morning, guys. Welcome to my outfit of the day. Today is Tuesday. Welcome to what I'm wearing today. So today, as you know, my hair is consistent as usual for the whole week. So that's my hair in a headband. Yeah. My earrings are also going to be consistent because I don't intend to change them. And my neck piece, I think so. I don't know. We'll just see how it goes. So today I'm just wearing this green coat. As you know, our theme for this week is colored coats. We are styling colored coats. So that's our theme for this week. So I'm wearing this green coat. I've paired it with this black top. Added this neck piece just to accessorize it. And I'm also pairing it with these floral pants. And on my shoes, I'm just wearing these Black Hills. So yeah, guys, so that's my outfit of the day. From a distance, that's how my look is. And I feel it's working. It's quite nice. It's quite nice and it's comfortable. And for me, you know, child comfortability is my thing. Comfortability all the way. So yeah, so guys, so that's how I'm going to slay today. See you tomorrow with what I'll be wearing. Hope you have a good day and I hope you have a good day ahead. Bye bye. Morning, guys. Welcome to my outfit of the day. Today is a Wednesday, the first week of September, and today Yes, I'm trying this style of shooting. Let's see how it goes. Though I know it gives some sort of kind, it's, I don't know how you can call it, but the views when it comes to the video, it normally is quite fun. But we'll just try it in. So sorry for that, guys. So today my head is consistent, you know, earrings consistent, neck piece is consistent. Today I'm just wearing this brown coat. It's like that. Let me come close, guys. The reason why I loved this brown coat, it's because of the color. But then it always has some, like I always find it quite heavy. Whether the color it's beige. Yeah, actually that's the correct word. The color is beige. I like the color, but it's normally heavy in a way. I find it so, I don't know. So I do not like wearing this coat, but it's quite a nice coat. I've paired it with this white top of mine and this black pants of mine. They have a belt here. It's a detachable belt and it has pockets on both sides. The coat too has pockets, some small pockets on both sides, and it's just like that. Yeah, just like that. So yeah, so that's my outfit of the day. Yeah, and I'm feeling quite cute, quite comfortable. And I've worn my favorite shoes of the house, the black heels. That's what I'm pairing it with, and I'm feeling cute, guys. I am feeling cute, to be honest. So that's my outfit for today. See you with what I will be wearing on Friday. Thank you, guys, and bye-bye. Good morning, guys. Today is a Friday, and welcome to what I am wearing today. On today's outfit, my hair is consistent for the whole week as usual. My earrings are consistent. Today we are sticking to the brand. Yeah, sometimes it's important to wear the brands. So I'm just wearing this CA t-shirt, and I've worn it with this blue jeans. I've added my maroon shoes, yeah, the doll shoes. Yeah, and that's my outfit for the day. I'm feeling nice and I am looking cute. Guys, I just realized that on Tuesday and Wednesday I didn't tell you where I got my outfit. Before I even go to Tuesday and Wednesday. My jeans is a blue jeans that I thrifted from Nakuru. I don't remember the details of that shop, guys, but one thing about me for sure, I will thrift, and you guys know this is just CA t-shirt from CA. Yeah, so there's nothing much to my outfit for today. So on Tuesday, my outfit, the day I wore the green coat, I got the green coat from Mombasa, and then the top, the black top, I also got it from Mombasa. The floral pants, I got them from Eldoret. I think the market is called West Indies or something. The main market in Eldoret, yeah. So that's where I got my trousers from. And then on Wednesday, the day I wore the beige coat, I got it from Think Twice. The white top, I got it from Think Twice. And then the pants, I also got them from Think Twice. Actually, that day, my entire outfit was from Think Twice. And there's, yes, guys, and you see, I always tell you, it doesn't matter where you are, wherever you are, you can always get outfits. Because you see me, I thrift randomly and everywhere. So it doesn't matter that you have to be in Nairobi or you have to be in a specific place to get outfits. You can get your outfits from everywhere. So yeah, that's it, guys. On Monday I told you where I got my outfit from. Yeah, so see you with what I will be wearing tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Saturday. See you then. Bye bye. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday and welcome to what I am wearing today. As usual, my hair is consistent, earrings the same, neck piece consistent, and on to my today's outfit. On this brown coat, I think this is brown. Yeah, this is brown. It has some buttoned details on both the sides. I've paired it with this cami, and I've worn this black skirt, long skirt, and with my house shoes. The reason why I'm still dressed like that is because I am not sure if this is really the outfit I want to wear today. Yeah, so where I got this coat, I got it from Think Twice. I got it from Think Twice. I got the skirt from Think Twice. And also for those who've been asking if I have skirts, yes, I do have skirts. The thing is, I just don't like wearing skirts because I don't know. I like a seasonal person. Like there's this season I'll wear skirts, there's this season I'll wear dresses. One thing about that is consistent in my closet that I always just love, despite of everything, is jumpsuits. I know I'm a jumpsuit person. Yeah, but for all these other clothes, skirts, dresses, it's seasonal for me. Yeah, so that's my outfit for today. I may change, especially the top. The skirt, I think I want to wear it because I've never worn this skirt. Even this coat, I've never worn it since I bought it. There are actually some of the clothes I was thinking to give away. Should I not give away? What do you guys think? Please comment on the comment section below if you think I should do a giveaway, and why would you want me to give you these clothes. If you think I should do a giveaway, comment. If you think you want the clothes that I may do a giveaway on, yes, let me know. Yeah, so guys, that's my outfit of today. If I'll change, I'll come and show you. If I don't change, this will be it. Okay, so see you tomorrow with what I will be wearing. What's up guys? So today is Sunday. Welcome to my outfit for Sunday. Welcome to what I'm wearing. Guys, my hair has been consistent for the week. As you know, we do consistency when it comes to hair and jewelry. So my earrings the same. This t-shirt used to be my weekend t-shirt, but now I've changed it into my house t-shirt because I feel it's no longer white as it was before, and I kind of feel this side was stained when it was being washed. So yeah, so that's just this tee, and it has some human being relaxed here on the bicycle, as I'm going to be relaxed today. And then I've worn them with these house pants. You can call them if pajama if you want, but me, I just wear them as my house pants. Sometimes I sleep with them though. And then with my house shoes, because those pants, man, they are comfortable. And you guys know that anything comfortability in my outfit, yeah, that's it for me. So guys, that's my outfit for today. Before I go, let me plug you in on something. So guys, before I show you what I wanted to show you, first and foremost, I want to give out a shout out to our new subscriber, Noble Thoughts and Bible Times. That's the name that you're using on YouTube. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for being a new subscriber. I just felt that I should give you a shout out. Yes, so welcome into the family. Karibu nyumbani, as we always say on this channel. You are gonna enjoy the videos that we have on this channel. Kindly also ensure you watch the other videos that we have, and we are gonna meet there. Yeah, right. So guys, let me show you what I wanted to plug you in on. Yeah, so guys, before I end this video, I just wanted to plug you in onto this stuff. This bag I purchased recently from LC Waikiki, and for those guys who are going to the gym, I think this may be beneficial to you. So if you're going to the gym, swimming, or you just need a small tiny bag, LC Waikiki has these bags. I don't know, because by the time I was there, they were I'd say around 4 something. So just pop into any LC Waikiki and check if they still have these bags. I feel that it's a good quality bag, and the inside has just this pad. It has this one room like that, and it has this front part like this. So you can keep your keys and you can keep your stuff. You can also put in your water bottle. I felt this purchase was worth it. The bags were going for 1,200. There's another, they have it in different color, a gray, yeah, it's a blue and a gray at the bottom. So they had it in those 2 colors, but for me it was a light blue. It wasn't that nice for me, so that's why I decided to go with this color, as much as I didn't really like this color, but it can do, I can work with it. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to plug you in, guys. Yeah, so otherwise, thank you for watching this video until this far. I am glad that you enjoy watching my content. For the new subscribers, thank you for clicking onto this video. I also want to request you guys that as you click to watch the video, a kind reminder, always remember to click the like button so that our video is shared widely. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this week's outfits, and I hope dressing to the office has become more easier and more easier as time goes by. If you are a new subby and you haven't watched our other videos on this channel, please watch. You'll be glad that you watched those videos because they are so entertaining, and they will also help you when it comes to your dressing, and also the plugs that we give on this channel. Otherwise, thank you so much for staying till this far. Thank you for always supporting my content. Thank you for your consistency. And guys, how do you find our consistency? It's amazing. It's great. Yeah. Yes, we are happy to be consistently giving you videos. Yeah, so until the next video, guys, bye bye.